Did you know that 71% of people check their phones within 10 minutes of waking up? On top of that, people touch their smartphones about 2,600 times a day. But how did we get these phones in the first place? Coding's your answer. In order to understand coding, we need to discuss its evolution, languages, and how it's affecting our daily lives. According to HP.com, the first programmed computer was developed in 1883. Ada Lovelace and Charles Babbage worked together on the analytical engine. This was known as the world's first primitive mechanical computer, therefore making it the biggest step in coding history. However, in 1972, Dennis Ritchie developed C, which is known as the world's first high-level programming language. In other words, it's closer to human language and less like machine code. In a result of this, computers were slowly becoming more and more modern. Later on in 2014, Apple developed Swift to replace C. There are over 1.5 billion Apple users today as well. The coding switch from mechanical to technical has created many devices, but how are these devices working? What coding languages are used? One great example is JavaScript. Northeastern.edu states that JavaScript is the most popular programming language for building interactive websites. Ian Gorton, PhD and Director of Computer Science at this university, also agreed that virtually everyone is using it. Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Amazon all use JavaScript. Furthermore, Python is another widely used language. It's the easiest to learn and the first language you learn if you want to learn how to code yourself. Python is used in a variety of applications, such as data science, artificial intelligence, financial services, and some social media. Equally important, C# is very commonly used in programming. C# is the go-to language for Microsoft and Windows application development. So whenever you use those kinds of computers, remember that C# make them possible. But what are some bigger examples of how coding is shaping our daily lives? Communication is used in every aspect of your life. Now, how much of your texting friends, hangout sessions, or phone calls could be possible without your cell phone? Coding powers that cell phone to give you those benefits. Organizations and businesses are also very important. How long would they last without any kind of programming? Paying at restaurants would take longer, they couldn't digitally advertise, and other downsides could be there as well. If you own any kind of social media, you're a part of 60% of the population. Think about the amount of time you spent on those apps. For some, it's an addiction. For others, it's nothing more than a waste of time. Either way, social media has helped to shape society the way it is today. Even Oswaldo Lugo at LinkedIn.com has also said, computer programming has made the impossible possible. From our washing machines to our computers, programming has revolutionized the globe. So remember, every time you use something electronic, it's not possible without the world of coding.